Motorola has recently introduced its very first laptop named the Moto Book 60 alongside a brand new tablet. These two devices are designed to offer a combination of appealing design and specifications that are powerful enough to meet the needs of both students and creators, so let's get to know them better. The Moto Book 60 features a 14-inch OLED display boasting a resolution of 2K 120Hz. It supports Dolby Vision and covers 100% of the sex range, offering HDR support and certifications for reduced eye strain. It features a metal body, which means it also holds a 1000 standard H military certification. This allows it to endure extreme climates, and it can even withstand drops without getting damaged easily. It weighs 1.39 kilograms and is available in green, bronze, and blue gouache good. Internally, it is equipped with Intel Core i5-210H or Core i7-240H processors. It has 16 gigabytes of DDR RAM, which is expandable to 32 gigabytes, and offers up to a terabyte of PCI 4.0 solid-state storage. It runs Windows 11 with all the tools in its home edition and includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, USB-A and USB-C ports, an HDMI connector, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Additionally, there are stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a full HD webcam with a cover, and a 60 watt-hour battery with 65 watt charging. It also features Smart Connect for syncing Motorola phones and tablets. Finally, Motorola appears to be expanding its ecosystem a bit further, as Smart Connect can now be installed on laptops from any brand. However, it's even better when everything comes already installed and pre-configured, making life a bit easier for the user. This particular laptop has been announced in India, and the base configuration, which includes a Core i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of storage, has been announced at a price of 61,999 rupees. That's approximately $724, with options for more storage and RAM versions available. At a higher price point, the MotoPad 60 Pro features a 12.7-inch LCD LTPS display offering 2K resolution with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a peak brightness of 400 nits. It has some appealing features, yet some aspects are not particularly remarkable. We might say that it is expected to be a tablet not in the top segment, but take note, as it is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 8300. This processor provides enough power to compete effectively even though it isn't the top-tier processor. Flagship. It features 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, expandable to a terabyte via microSD. The battery is 10,200 mAh and supports 45 watt charging. It includes 13 megapixel rear cameras, 8 megapixels front, and 4 JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos. It runs on Android 14, which isn't remarkable since Android 16 is soon to be released, highlighting a noticeable gap. It also includes a fingerprint reader located on the power button and has been launched in India, where it is available in a bronze green color. The base version, which comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 GB of storage, is priced at launch in that region at 26,999 rupees. This is equivalent to more than $320. Additionally, there are higher versions available at increased prices. Both versions will be on sale starting April 25th, but since the launch took place in India, we will have to wait a bit longer to learn if Motorola will have. There are plans to launch in additional regions. I would really like to see a more comprehensive Motorola ecosystem becoming available not only in Mexico, but also in our own countries.